here is a tram. Now the wheels are in there. Now I wanted to find out a way to do this because balsa wood is not that strong and the wheels are quite heavy. So I put my thinking hat on and I had some of this foam left over from various things. None of it's glued in yet. Basically it's just in there and then the wheel block is wedged in. That's a firm enough fit to grip. So I'm going to glue in with this $2 contact cement these two bits here. I'm going to leave this bit off for now because I have to work out the way to hook the carriages on. These are the Pico kind of standard couplings, but I'm going to have to make something that's going to fit onto the balsa wood. So we'll have a think and see what I come up with. But first, this is the glue we're using. My favourite bit says "Do not smoke!" exclamation mark. And take precautionary measures against static charges. So I'm guessing this is pretty flammable. Now it says you need to apply to both surfaces that you want to glue and leave for 20 minutes and then push together. So I'm going to put some here and here and then the same on the inside and see how we go. I'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay, they are now fitted. I didn't wait quite 20 minutes because I think the glue was a bit old, so it felt quite kind of gloopy anyway. So I put it in, and then the engine block goes in like so. I'll put it in now. I have to put the phone down momentarily. Okay, put one edge in. Edge. Put it over. There you go. And there's the things there. It just needs to be scooched up a bit. The next challenge for the wagons is these two wagons that I made before. I've only got a hook on one end because they were made out of a wagon like this, which used to have two wheels, and I took each set of those wheels and made that. So I have, this wagon is going to be at the back and this wagon is going to be at the middle. So this is the other end of one of these. Sorry, that's off the original train. So I want to fix this to this. Voila. So on the bottom, I already have this raised bit, and I have another lolly stick. I found this to go bang, bang, and then glued that to there, and off we go. Hopefully this will work. And it worked. The next day, and this end. It has worked. Hooray for glue. So it's now two at both ends and this one at the end. So I've got to have a think about this. Did the foam dry on? Yes. Flip this over. Pull this out. Pretty good. I would say that is a success. Next step. I'm thinking paper clips somehow bent come out of there and it just hooks on there and rear away. I'm going to bend some of these and see what I come up with. Okay. Prototype 1, like this, hooks like this, and then you can see in those 2 holes there, we'll go through those holes, and then thinking I'll basically bend them over inside and then glue with the trusty contact cement, and that will just cause that hook, and then potentially we'll then make another thing coming out to mirror that hook out of another paper clip. Next thing, push this through there. So far, so good. Now, that's what it's like on the inside. I'm going to just put a bit of the contact glue there and there, and leave that to dry, and then work out a hook to come out. This is the underneath now. So I put this piece of foam in. Does that all match? The bottom of the power unit goes. There's been contact adhesives as well. And that is the arrangement of that. So the long thin one I will bend up to hook in there, but I have to wait for all the glue to dry first. Time for the bending. You can see how this is kind of worked underneath. That foam is holding it in there, and this piece of foam there, and this goes through, and all the glue set pretty well. So now I'm going to work out when to bend. So that's about right. I need to try and kind of grab it there-ish. Bend it up, and then rear away. Bend one, and see that it kind of hooks. Next stop, the track. This is a fully loaded train. All on. Nice sunny day. They're shooting, so excuse the cannon noises. And we're away. Let's tuck the remote wires in. Don't want to damage those.
Must have heard you, she's crying.
Oh really?
Let me go get her.
Okay. There's something on the tracks down there. Right. And then this is the beer wagon. Let's see if she'll pull the beer. Oh. Doesn't make it up the incline at the top end. It's quite a steep climb at that end. See if they'll go backwards. This might all go horribly wrong. Stopped again. Oh, major derailment.